Welcome back to another face painting video of characters in the Mario universe. Today we are doing a simple 3-minute Princess Peach design. Great for little kids' parties, and if you are a beginning face painter, this is a great design to learn. You can take a brush with a flat body and round edges, or number 12 brush, to help sketch out the outline with a gold or yellow face paint. Start painting out the spikes or rays of the crown, making the ones on the side just a tad shorter than the middle one, and making sure to blend it out to create your full crown shape. Use a bit of orange from your main color palette to blend in some shadows to create darker gold color to give it some dimension. This is totally optional if you are short on time, but this will help it pop a bit more. With our first phase of the crown done, we are ready for some jewels. Stealing from my Pintada palette, I'm grabbing a green color that really pops. Same with the dark blue that you can find on a basic tag body art palette. Grab a light blue face paint color to add a bit of highlight to the sides. Our crown jewel will be in red or a dark pink if you'd like. First, lightly paint on your red or pink and give it some shadow at the bottom. We're ready to line our crown. Take your liner brush and grab some black and line that crown. It's time for highlights. Take your white with the same kind of liner brush as your black and highlight your crown spikes on the same sides. If you highlight the right side of your center crown, highlight the right side of all of the spikes so it has a consistent shine. Add a sparkle on one of your side jewels for that sparkly princess effect, and then another one if you wish. And just for fun, let's add some white to the top of our spikes so it shines just a little bit more. If you want to add more details, stars and sparkles are great choices. Give your design some stars with a stencil and sponge, firmly patting on the paint with your sponge. Make sure your paint isn't too wet on the sponge. Make sure it's a bit tacky before applying to your subject. You can apply these to both sides. Another great option to add on both sides of your crown is some pink glitter. Spread on some light pink glitter with a small brush, keeping careful not to get into the eyes, and maybe an extra shine and sparkle if you have time. Thank you so much for joining me, especially if you enjoyed my Mario and Luigi tutorials. And stay tuned for more face paint inspiration so you can learn and share some face paint magic with the world. See you next time!